Sizing up the competition. Evaluate only your core competitors. Not every competitor is going to be a direct competitor. Although PetSmart may sell interactive cat toys, that is not their sole focus. Find competitors in your niche, if possible. The Small Business Association, SBA, has a tool that can help businesses determine who else is competing in a given industry. More about the SBA in the next section. It uses the SizeUp engine. You can use the tool from the SBA website or directly from sizeup.com. The tool does have some limitations, especially when trying to narrow your focus to a sub-industry. The classifications may not quite align with those of your products and services. Nonetheless, it is worth trying it out and coming up with as close a category as possible. You can determine the results. Cat toys are a perfect example of this limitation. There is no classification for cat toys. At best, you would have to lump it into the category pets, pet supplies, and food retail. Unfortunately, there is no data exporting functionality provided. You'll have to scroll page by page and copy the data from the website. This could take several hours of your time unless you decide to outsource it. To find out more about your competitors, try the following. Sign up for your competitors' newsletters. Go through your list of competitors and see which of them offer newsletters. Sign up for those newsletters. This is a great way to track them and get notifications of any updates. Use Google Alerts. Set up Google Alerts and use the name of your competitors as the keywords. You will get an alert whenever something new appears in Google about those competitors. Buy products and services from your competitors. If you have the budget, buy your competitors' products and services that are similar to yours. Pay attention to the sales process and how you are treated. Contact customer service asking questions. Make note of any weaknesses in their business processes. Check competitors' products being sold on Amazon, eBay, Target, and Walmart. Your competitors may be selling on these platforms. With Amazon, you can see how well a product sells via its rank. eBay will show you completed listings of products and whether they sold, and for how much. You won't be able to get that kind of data with Target and Walmart. However, the fact that they are selling your competitors' products is telling. Next, Small Business Association.